Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to present baseline tooling instant CSS feature confidence, which eliminates uncertainty in modern web development, where in which you have no more need for hopping between MTN, canvas.com, and blog post to get authority. Now you get authoritative baseline answers directly on your workflow. So currently, developers are facing issues of way in which they have to manually go check uh, through blog post or article and still uncertain about production readiness, repeat for every new CSS feature. And this also causes research loops happens dozens of times per project, slowing down development velocity and creating inconsistent decisions across teams. What if your tools could give you instant authoritative answers instead? That is where I present my solution, an integrated baseline intelligence, which consists of real-time analysis, live baseline validation as you write CSS code, no context switching required, multi-source intelligence, and workflow integration. Works seamlessly with ESLint and VS Code and also with GitHub Actions you already use. Um, I'll be showing the live demo after I finish this presentation. And then after that, the smart data strategy that I used was curated exceptions, no edge cases and special situation flagged by experts, and also local data for offline fast operation. And then we also have cached API results for comprehensive coverage, smart heuristics, intelligent fallbacks for common properties. This prioritized approach ensures accuracy while maintaining speed, perfect for both local development and CI environments. From development to deployment, I use modern features confidently during development, automatic checking against baseline data in real time, and then GitHub Actions block deployment of non-baseline code, issues code before users are affected. And then we have the power of automated validation, way in which integration in action. The same word break auto freeze issue gets caught instantly with detailed context from our exception database. No network calls, no delays, just results. What makes this innovative is the valid level of precision. We don't just check if word break exists, we validate specific values like autophrase for unprecedented accuracy. Intelligent multi-source combines created expertise, official APIs, and smart fallbacks in prioritized waterfall for comprehensive coverage. Developer first design integrates this tool with already used ESLint, VS Code, GitHub Actions, no workflow disruption required. Offline safe operation, prefetched caches, and local data enable deterministic network-free validation. The impact on this it calls zero research loop, 100% early detection, and team consistency. Faster deployment cycles, fewer production bugs, and confident feature adoption, all through seamless automation. Currently, to use this demo, it's in my GitHub. I've hosted the demo on my GitHub. The full source code is also on the same GitHub. So right now I'll just go through. Okay,